Hello everyone, I am Bhumika. I am presently working as a legal intern under Lexis and Company, a law firm, and I am from Reva University, Bangalore, pursuing BLLB Honors second year. So let us start off today's topic for the discussion, and today I am going to discuss an interesting topic, that is whether stalking is legal in India or whether it is illegal in India. So now, like few circumstances I will try to give out, and whether you guys decide that whether you have committed stalking in your lifetime. Okay, so now the examples are as such: following the girl, sending presents, unwanted presents, and standing in front of the girl's home unnecessarily, and also doing unwanted phone calls or emails or SMS as such, and stalking on the social media as such, and also trying to forcefully communicate with her and asking her forcefully to make a conversation with you guys. So all this amounts to stalking in India. And not a surprise, it is added into our criminal laws, Indian Penal Code, by the 2013 Amendment Act, saying that it is an illegal offence and it is also punishable in India. According to National Crime Records Bureau report of 2018, there were 9,450 cases which was recorded of this stalking. So in an average, in 55 minutes, there will be one case registered of this stalking in India. So but basically, this stalking offense is taken as general, not serious. So but when this stalking offense becomes serious is that when any legal action is taken. So what legal action can be taken when this stalking happens on women? It can happen anywhere. It can happen on the social media or on the school girl or a college girl or a woman going to work as such. So now, what is the legal action that can be taken? You can file a complaint, FIR can be booked. You can make the accused get convicted by legal action. But now what question arises is, what will be the punishment? So according to section 354 capital D of our Indian Penal Code says that if the offender is the first time offender, then he will be punished maximum up to 3 years along with fine. If he is a subsequent and second time offender, then he will be punished for maximum 5 years of imprisonment along with fine. So these are the legal provisions that are mentioned in this stalking thing. And now, when we look into few case laws, how after 2013, how this has developed, the Bombay High Court in one of the case has said that when it was a case of woman committing suicide, it has said that actually the reason behind that was she was constantly being stalked by that accused and she committed suicide, and he was stalking in her in the workplace. And also he was insisting her repeatedly to get married to him. So this was the situation. So Bombay High Court charged him for that stalking illegal offence, and then also along with that they charged him also for abatement of suicide. So for both things he was charged. So this is a serious offence that is happening and raising day by day. So now, what can be the way forward that we can think for the stalking happening in India is that we need to be aware of the legal action that can be taken. Usually many women will be scared to lodge a complaint or inform it to her trustworthy people about this stalking happening to her in a day-to-day life. But this should not go unnoticed. Each and everything that is happening, it can be a mere stalking as well. It should not be let to grow into a monster or any other thing like acid attacks. It can turn into acid attacks or sexual harassment, any such thing it can be turned to. So when it is in the minor stage, that is stalking happening, that time only it should be informed to the trustworthy people, and also it should be brought into the notice of the public authorities as such. So by saying this, I like to say that who all know about this stalking, that it is an illegal offence and it is also punishable by the criminal laws of India. Please, if your friends or any person in your personal life and come and tells that this thing is happening to them, please do help them to take any legal action as such. This can have a very impact on by reducing the number of cases which is happening, and the cases which will turn out to be a huge case in the society if this is unchecked. So by saying this, I am going to end this video, and my next video will be on cyberbullying. That also will be a very interesting topic. Please do watch that video, and if you liked this video, please comment, subscribe and share to this channel. Thank you so much.